Hi everyone, I am Kelly and I am part of Group 3's proposal presentation. Our group consists of 3 students from Bluefield College, and we are all in technical writing. We created a proposal for Craigslist on how they could improve their website. I'll be discussing the introduction, the analysis of our survey, and the conclusion. Andreas will be discussing the materials and sources used in the second part of the analysis. Tanya will be discussing the methods, explanation, and project description. To get started, I'm going to introduce you to our topic, improving the Craigslist website. Our objective was to compare and contrast Craigslist to primarily 3 other sites: Amazon, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace. We chose these since they are well known and most people have used or heard of each of these. In this proposal, we state how changing the layout, design, and credibility of Craigslist itself could bring it back into the running for the best buying and selling platform on the internet. With this being said, we created a survey to see which buying platform people were most likely to buy from. The overwhelming response was Amazon. There were a few that liked eBay and Facebook Marketplace, while none used or liked Craigslist. With our ideas, Craigslist could get the much-needed facelift of their design, change the layout to be less overwhelming and more aesthetically pleasing, and lastly, create a safer buying and selling platform for their users.